Welcome back, and today we're doing ultimate pistol 1 that we did it 7 months ago. We do different drills every month, and by doing this will improve our shooting skills, our reflexes, and how to think fast. Because in a real defense situation, nothing happens as you plan. Shit.
It's getting stuck on something.
It was going really slow.
Yeah. That's the part. It might be the bearings on the wheels on the thing.
Yeah.
If it's rusty, probably some grease. Yeah.
I got some lube down there. Hey Scott, there's a lube on the shelf. The silicone lube. Did you find it?
Yep.
Let's lube it and see what happens.
Watch it go by super fast now.
Better? Don't make it too better. Just kidding.
That made a big difference.
Okay. Thank you, Scott.
Shoot already?
Ready.
Stand by.
Make it safe.
No, it's more than that. Couple doubles there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
It's got a good group.
12. I think it's 13.
11. Okay. Let me count. Give me 1 second. He counted 12. Let me see. Let's see if I could break Tony.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, 두 발입니다.
2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11. Officially, I'm tied with Tony. 11. That's so much faster. Okay, 4 hits. The 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. I see that.
It's like
You did good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Bad one too. Hold up. Yeah, there you go.
I saw it 7 or 8.
Oh yeah. I think I saw a double feed before too, and I think it was
It's
one
only
of the
when I
aluminum
put
ones.
the
Yeah.
brass, I mean
Yeah.
these aluminum. How many did I hit?
7.
Okay.
Ready?
Stand by.
Okay. Wait, stop. Wait. Make safe. Holster. Okay, we're safe. Go ahead.
How much is that?
Probably 5 or
1, 2,
6.
3, 4,
see 6.
5, 6.
How many?
I think it's.
5?
There's
Okay.
double there.
Double
There's
on
2.
the top
There's 2
right.
at that end. Yeah.
Six, yeah.
Oh, okay.
6.
6. You ready?
Yep.
Stand by. He shot fast. Wait, stop.
5, 6, 7, 8,
Clear.
9.
Range is safe. Go.
I only see 8.
8. Nice. Good job.
Yeah.
This is official count.
Yeah.
Now it's moving like it should.